Hey everyone! A lot of you have been asking about how to change your name on Facebook so it appears without a last name. Whether you're going for a minimalist vibe or want a single name profile, I'll show you how it's done. It's not as straightforward as you'd hope, but there's a workaround that works perfectly, and I will walk you through it step by step. Let's get into it. Now, let's start with why this isn't as simple as just deleting your last name. Facebook's default settings require both a first and last name to promote what they call authentic identities. But there's a trick. Facebook actually allows single names in some countries, like Indonesia. And the good news? You can take advantage of that using a VPN. It's easy to set up and works like a charm. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Facebook account. Head over to Settings and Privacy. This is where you'll manage your name settings. Here's where the magic happens. To make this work, you must change your virtual location to a country like Indonesia, where single names are allowed. To do this, download a trusted VPN app onto your device. There are plenty of free and paid options out there, so pick one that works for you. Once it's installed, connect to an Indonesian server. The VPN essentially makes it look like you're accessing Facebook from that region, which is key for this trick. With your VPN active, go back to Facebook. Under General Settings, click on Name to edit it. Now, simply remove your last name and leave only the first name field filled. Save the changes, and Facebook will process the update based on your Indonesian location. Sometimes Facebook might ask for additional verification, like a confirmation code or a reason for the name change. Just follow the prompts. They're straightforward, and your name should appear without a last name within a few minutes. A quick heads up. Keep your VPN connected throughout the process to avoid any errors. Remember, Facebook only lets you change your name once every 60 days, so make sure you're happy with the update before you confirm it. And that's all there is to it. In just a few steps, you've bypassed Facebook's default settings and got yourself a single name profile. Whether it's for privacy, creativity, or just personal preference, this method works like a charm. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if there are any other Facebook tricks or tips you want me to cover. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tech hacks and tutorials. Thanks for hanging out, and I'll see you in the next video.